Dean. Oh yeah, great start.
Is he moving? I can't tell. Because I'm looking at the camera. Oh, there we go.
Come on, Randy, nice and slow when you're doing it.
Randy?
Faster, Dean, faster.
I'm too close.
Uh-oh, starts to spin now. Uh-oh. Good job, Dean.